Why choose Universal AI University? I am Amrita Matthews, Head of Marketing Practice at Universal AI University. Universal AI University, we empower our students with cutting-edge marketing knowledge, hands-on experience, and also we are preparing them for the fast-changing digital world. And that's the reason whether they want to lead the global brands, our curriculum teaches them all these things to make them empowered for the industry. We are making them ready for the industry. We have foreign collaborations where we have exchange programs and international collaborations. We have multinationals coming in for the placements like Nestlé and L'Oreal and Marico's. To name a few, we have banks like South Indian Bank, Federal Bank. We focus 70% on experiential learning. These people have case studies, simulations, real world cases that are coming to them, and industry people are coming and grooming them, mentoring them. We are talking about AI, we are talking about innovation, we are talking about luxury brand, B2B sales, e-commerce. Our faculty also is using AI in teaching. They're using latest prompts and a lot of research is going into it. Our students are very well equipped to take any kind of marketing role where it is backed by AI. I welcome all you students to India's only AI university. Be a part of this campus, enjoy your beautiful journey and begin a wonderful journey with us. Thank you so much.